Hello, my name is Safia. Today I will present how water recycle system in shopping malls offer a practical, sustainable and financially sound and solution. Uh, in the introduction, across the world, urban malls have become initial community hubs. They are places where thousands of people gather, shop, dine, and work every day. However, behind the lively environment lies and reality or we often overlook shopping mall are extremely heavy water users. From toilets and cooling system to delay cleaning and landscaping, in single mall can consume hundreds of thousands of liters per day. With rising water security in many cities, it is critical that commercial infrastructures evolves. That is where our projects step in. Our recycling initiation uses the environmental, social, and financial framework. This ensures that we do not view sustainability as a cosmetic feature but rather as an integrated system that delivers long term value. This project is not only about saving water, it is about re, uh, reducing how we think about resources, how we engage stakeholders, how we plan financially, and how we build resilience. In the stakeholders and their rules, any major sustainability project succeeds only when people work together. In this case, we identified several key stakeholders. The first one is mall owners. They have the highest power and highest interest because the system impacts uh, com- compliance, operating costs, and assets value. The second one is facility managers. They are responsible for day to day operations, monitoring performance, and ensuring the system runs efficiently. And the third one is municipal water authorities and regulators. Without their approval and oversight, the system cannot be installed or operated. They are essential partners for permits, water quality guidances, and compliances. The fourth one is tenants and shoppers. They may not interact directly with the system, but they are affected by disruptions during installations by the mall's reputations as well as sustainable space. The last but not least, technology suppliers and contractors, they both are provide the equipment, installations, testing, and long-term maintenance that determine reliability. Uh, the third slide shows life cycle assessment. Uh, to truly understand the long-term impact of the project, we examine every phase of its life cycle. First one is design phase. This is where the most important decisions are made. We are carry out feasibility studies, assesses water demand, and select treatment technologies. A well-designed system ensures efficiency for the next 10 to 20 years. The second one is construction phase. We need to integrate the system into the mall's exciting plumbing and mechanical infrastructure. Proper installation and testing avoid future breakdowns and ensure safety and compliance. The third is operational phase. This is the heart of the all the systems of we get benefit from the all the things during operation. The mall uses for less potable water and discharge much less wastewater. Carbon emissions also reduce because less water needs to be pumped or treated externally. Over time, these environmental savings add up to significant positive impact. And the last is end of life phase. Even when the system reaches the end of its life, parts like membranes, tanks, and pumps can be recycled. This supports circular economy principles and reduce landfill waste. Looking at the full life cycle ensure the system is not only effective today but sustainable for decades. Uh, this slide shows financial monitorations. Uh, Upfront costs include treatment unit, tanks, sensors, plumbing modifications, and labor. But these costs are balanced and often outweighed by long-term saving. For example, a mall using 17,000 liters of water daily can cut its potable water use by 35% to 45%. That translates into substantial annual savings on water and water bill. Depend on local traffics. The system's payback periods is 4 to 7 years. Beyond direct saving, the system also increase the more resilience during droughts, shortage, or rising traffic. The mall will be far less vulnerable in today's climate uns- unstable world. That resilience in is visible. Financial planning aligned with the sustainability ultimately improves asset value and supports long-term business stability. Okay, and this is supplier matrix. The supplier matrix is compared to companies based on cost, product quality, technical expertise, environmental certifications, reliability, and warranties, long-term maintenance support. We prioritize suppliers with strong environmental credentials such as ISO 1000 14001 certificate and experience in water treatment. A structured, transparent supplier matrix reduces risks, ensures accountability, and boosts project success. This slide shows a risk matrix. Our project also examines environmental and social and financial risks. The first is an environmental impact. The system reduces potable water issues, decreases wastewater discharge, and cuts carbon emissions associated with water pumping and treatment. Social impact: it enhances the mall's public's image, demonstrates eco-responsibility, and encourages shoppers to adopt a more sustainable mindsets. It also builds trust with local communities. Financial impact: the system provides measurable savings and shields the mall from future water shortage and rising traffic. When combined, these factors positions the mall as a sustainability leader, a valuable destination in the today competitive commercial landscape. It is the conclusion. The conclusion is most important thing for all the project. In conclusion, the project is more than a technical upgrade. It is holistic sustainability strategy. By integrating stakeholder engagement, life cycle thinking, digital monitoring, financial planning, and responsible procurement, we create a model that is practical, future focused, and aligned with the global sustainability goals. Scarcity is no longer a distant concern, it is a present day challenge for cities worldwide. Projects like this show how commercial centers can adapt, lead, and inspire. A water cycle system is a shopping mall does not just save water, it is protects the environment, it builds community trust, it reduces long-term costs, and most importantly, it proves that sustainability and economic value can work and hand in hand. Thank you for your time and